Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ConvertKit account detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for ConvertKit. Press the enter key. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos in your email. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. You may be prompted to verify your identity if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your ConvertKit dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consult the ConvertKit support documentation. You are now logged into your ConvertKit account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step